Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Making a video. Just cut a hole in the Ford here for a hatch. Put the anchor rope and life preservers, all that good stuff. Yep, it's old 1976 17-foot 6 Polar Kraft. There we go. I use a jigsaw for my corners, and I drilled from my corners also, and I use a jigsaw to cut the opening. And I use a Rockwell VersaCut, just with a regular saw blade. See the blade right here. That does a great job for aluminum carbide tip. But and also when you're working with aluminum, you want a special type of blade for aluminum or stainless, all kinds. It's called a Rex cut. Blending grinding rock. And it's for not made from iron. It's made for aluminum or stainless steel and that kind of stuff. But anyway, here's a hatch I'll be putting in this boat right here. Right here. There we go. All I did was Dad and I traced it out, and you get some hinges on here like that, and there you go. Got a nice hatch. And we're going to stiffen that up with some angle and some box tubing that make it more rigid. Well, we got plenty of storage now for life preservers and all that good stuff. And let me see here, just close it back like that. Nice little hatch. Yeah, that's how that works out. But anyway, I just want to show you the update on the buyer's boat rebuild, aluminum Polar Kraft boat rebuild. All right, thank y'all for watching. Here's Dad, my superhero. All right, thanks for watching. Y'all please subscribe. Y'all take care. All right, this KVUSMC over and out.